I just did mad drifty on my screen. That was awesome.
Alright, it was right here where they were. Oh, what was that? Oh, dude, we're stuck.
Are we stuck? Oh,
What is that?
Fuck. I'll get out. Are you out of the car?
No, not yet. Someone's stuff's on the ground just here. Oh, it's a backpack.
Yeah, I'm glitching out there. The car out of fuel, maybe?
Whoa, was that you? No, no, we've hit
That's
that.
me here, yeah.
We've hit that backpack. Who's this person here?
Alright, I got the backpack out of the way. Yeah, that person I can't really do anything with.
Can take his pristine shoes, that's for sure. No count. Alright.
Alright, I got all the shit off the ground.
Yep. Alright. Oh, we popped a tire. Whoa, shit, who's that?
Someone. Oh, whoa.
He's carrying a chainsaw.
Ah! Crazy motherfucker's got a chainsaw! Is it on? I can't hear it.
Nah, but it'll probably still kill you. I've seen people do it.
Swing wild, swing wild! Battles!
Oh, he got me with it.
Oh, shit. Alright, run past, I'll go in for the swing. Boom, got him. Oh, he's still alive, but hit him.
Oh, got him again.
Oh, I got him. No, I got hit. Oh, I'm unconscious. Damn it.
Oh no, Jero! You're down, brother!
Keep running, and then I'll wake up and maybe be able to run behind him.
Fuck, I'm about
Wake
to
up.
pass out.
Fuck, I got him good, but nothing. Wake up, wake up.
Oh, I punched him like 3 or 4 times. He's bandaging. I've got him. Oh, he's down, for sure. Come on, knock him out, knock him out.
Oh, fuck. Oh, I died.
Yep, I've knocked him out.
Sweet. Fuck him up, steal his shit.
He's got nothing except a small protector case and a derringer.
He's that chainsaw on him.
Took his sledgehammer as well. Alright, he's dead. Wait up,
Sweet.
Did you die?
Yeah.
Oh shit, alright.
See if we can get the car rolling. Alright, beach, that's good.
No, the car's fucked, man. Front tires are popped and shit.
Now what? You gonna be selling bleach? Oh, wait a minute, my electro? Oh, no shit.
Yeah? I'm just ducking off
think
into
so.
a shed or something to eat some food and drink some drink and shit, because I'm one unhealthy cat.
Oh, yeah. Got him though. We fucked.
Yeah, I'll fucking... Yeah, we wrecked that dude today. That was genius. He copped 2 sledgehammers to the head. So he ducked into a bush to bandage, and then I just beat him to death with my fist. Genius.
I like how he's just gone to do that. What a weirdo.
Cold. I need to get myself some warmer clothes. Light some fires.
Found some
and shit.
Sprite.
I've got matches.
Well,
What did he have? He had 1 burlap strip, a flare, and a kitchen knife in his protector case.
Righto. Kind of boring.
Badly damaged Derringer.
Mm.
Oh my god. The Derringer is loaded. I had a magazine on me.
Yeah. That's
I
awesome.
had a magazine that had 10
Badly.
rounds in it. We got a badly damaged Derringer, and we're gonna take the Derringer kill. Oh, I got
I'll
fully
come
geared.
prepared.
I got fully geared, dude. No shit.
Oh, Jesus. Alright, I'm still about 400 meters, 300 meters. Oh, I'm at the cop shop.
Dude, if you're at the cop shop. Oh, yeah, I see him. Oh, shit, he's taking aim.
Oh, I hear that.
Ah. Ah.
Did he do it?
Yeah, I'm dead. I got one round off, but it was like scatter aim, badly damaged Derringer's back. He just unloaded on me, like, put fucking 15 rounds into me, I reckon.
Jesus. I just said da 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 da.